how to use stories in software or highly scientific lessons. I had a chance to have a conversation with a PhD student at Caltech, and I was very curious asking him, how do you go about your programming and using the programming tools in order to help you with your research? And he was saying to me that most of the time, the software really serves the functions of the research. If they cannot get the outcome from the research data that they want to do, they go back and calibrate the software. When you are training and designing lessons for software or scientific instrumentations, it is a strong temptation to start talking about the features of it. This is feature 1, magnification. This is the DPI. This is the configuration. This is the setup. This is the procedure. All of this is well and good. The problem is that the scientists are trying to figure out a solution to a problem that they're encountering, and only your software can do it. But they're not able to connect them together unless you start with a situation, a story, an incident that they want to deal with and answer with, and therefore you can relate the feature of your scientific instrumentation or your software. So try this idea when you start looking for designing, for learning, for scientists and for software. Reflect on the fact that you go start first in terms of how your end users, your scientists, your software developers, end users, problems in real life situations, and see how the features can apply and solve them. Then you have a good way of using stories in software or in scientific instrumentation. Have fun.